Hi everyone, Helena here with your shiny shove, the push, the prod, the nudge to help you have a really great day. I am in the cat sitting house and I'm enjoying kind of the space and the time to just work on things because I don't have the normal distractions that I would have. However, one of the things I love doing in my world is a puzzle. And I found it is a house of children. So I found a 300-piece puzzle and I thought, I will have that on the end of the table for just, lunch times and a little bit of break and everything else. And I completed it a couple of days ago and I left it out just to enjoy the completion element of that. And this morning I decided to put it away. And what was really interesting was that it broke neatly into four pieces. You know, when you do a puzzle, hold on, let's do this. You know, when you do a puzzle, it's a really, really beautiful one. It's very colorful, as you can imagine. But you know, when you do a puzzle, or if you've never done one, you're kind of setting up the edges and everything else. And it broke away really, really neatly. And there's a temptation to think, oh, all the pieces are in the box, I can just put it away. But if I left it with the pieces completed in this way, then in order to actually do this puzzle again, because that's the purpose of a puzzle, you can do it over and over and over. In order to do it again, someone's going to have to come in and actually undo all of my handiwork, because I didn't complete the breakdown of it. This is something I learned at TGI Fridays, that, when you're going to do a job, do it all the way through, because actually it means that when you come to do it next, and most of the things, let's face it, that we do are done by habit, and most of the things get done over and over and over again, whether that's the dishes or, the washing, the laundry. And because we're habitual creatures, if you put away the bits and pieces for that, the laundry detergent, for example, in a different place every single time, you would find it much harder and much more arduous to actually complete it. So when you are breaking something down, that is just as much, it served its purpose, but now you need to almost think ahead to when is the next time it's going to be used and how can I actually create ease with that. So that's my invitation for today, is to, even when you are completing something, and because you are busy people, there is a temptation to just go, oh, I'll sort that out when I next come to it. It's put away well enough. Don't do that, because when you do actually come to it, you'll start the task frustrated because you couldn't start the task because you actually had to do some tidying up or some finding of something before you were ready to start the task. So part of completion is to complete it fully so that you are able to use it next time around. And that goes for whatever that next time around is. This can be for small things or for big things. Leave it in a state that you would want to find it, I suppose, is what I'm saying. Give me some examples of what you do, or how you might cut a corner or two, or what the temptation is for you to do that, and the impact of it. I'd love to know. Have a great, wonderful rest of your day. I'm definitely going to do so. I've got my head down and doing quite a lot of client work today. So I don't know what you're up to, but have a good one, whatever that is, and I will catch you next time. Many blessings. I'm Helena Holrick. This is A Shiny Shove, and you are amazing. Remember that.